then this is the 100-inch screen. In today's video, we're gonna go and figure out if a motorized projection screen is the right solution. What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go and unbox that right now and see what it looks like and how it works. So this is a projection screen from a company called Canadian View, 100 inches, 16:9, remote control. And it's white. It's too bad because I wanted it black, but that's okay. It's suspended basically by this. You got a manual switch. There's a black border and a bottom bar. This is your remote control, up, down, pause maybe.
Yeah.
All right, it's a 23A 12-volt alkaline battery. Should be more than enough to last a long time. So we got it pretty flush against the bottom of the joist, so we can actually add a plexiglass cover, so if it rains it's not going to get on there, so quite easy to actually insulate in the summertime before you store it away for the winter. This is your control module. There is a button up, down, and stop. And now we're going to plug this in and see if the remote works. Okay, press it, Alex. It is built for indoor-outdoor applications. It's got an aluminum body, so it keeps the rain from getting in. Looks pretty good. It's supposed to be 16:9. It is built for indoor-outdoor applications. It's got an aluminum body, so it keeps the rain from. It's got a completely black back, so it produces pretty vibrant and sharp images. And I gotta say, it is the coolest thing that your guests will see in your backyard. I guarantee it. I think it's almost done.
Oh, it's done now.
Isn't your neck gonna hurt when you're looking up? There's also little tiny bits of like these lines here, but you really don't notice it when the thing is actually on. So what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to get some sort of bands, like, and then grab it from here, and then have a hook on here and a hook on there to keep it from swinging, right? But anyways, that's basically our projector setup. Wrinkles, very little wrinkle. I don't think it's gonna be noticed. We're gonna test this out at night. So this is the back of the projector.
I remember this.
And then this is the 100-inch.
Uncle, do you remember doing this?
Yes. This is the 100-inch screen. And then that's a little 8-man projector. This is the 8-man DLP480, super low res, but look how good it looks on the screen. It is definitely still watchable with all these lights on, right? Very nice. You can still see it from here. You can still make out whatever you want about 25 feet away. Now getting close to the screen, let's check out the resolution. Now you guys can see the shadow, but very good. And this screen is shaking because of the wind. So this projector fits all the boxes. It's small, portable, it's got good resolution, it's got built-in speakers, although they could be better. It's got a built-in operating system, connects to your Wi-Fi, and the interface is very intuitive. So that's my video. Thanks for watching.